Magandang gabi po ng October 27, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 9 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto, 3D Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658. 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng Sunday, October 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi na October 27, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. Super Lotto 649 draw result ngayong Sunday, October 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa Super Lotto 649 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. Ultra Lotto 658 draw result ngayong October 27, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa Ultra Lotto 658 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. See you again tomorrow, October 28, 2024 Monday for 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto and 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto. Here are the tomorrow's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, October 28, 2024. Thank you for watching this 9 p.m. video for evening of October 27, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.